Well, Denny, what are we running for a combine here?
96.50.
96.50. 635 flex head. We're running SF1 with ATU 200 auto steer. For the GS2 display. How do you toggle that to the map? Will it do a yield map too?
I don't know where that other one comes from.
Okay, we're back in here with Dennis Quandt. We're looking at his moving yield map on his GS2 display. That's a lot of head to be looking at. Now, Denny, don't you find with the auto steer that you end up looking farther out rather than actually looking at the knife?
Absolutely. It's much nicer with auto steer. I like it a lot.
You got a lot more time to think and be able to anticipate problems coming out
Reacting
in the beans.
Yep.
What variety of beans are these?
Y30.
92 Y30s?
92 white.
Well, let's hope the rest of 2009's fall harvest goes as good as it started here.
Absolutely.
A little bit of sarcasm with that. We are so late.